Yes, hello everyone and namaste to all the Indian people here. Peace from Africa, guys. So today I'm here in the Embassy of India in South Sudan, Juba, guys. So I got invited because I participated as a South Sudanese on behalf of expressing India through my lens because an African who completed my study in India, and it's been really a great and a long journey. And through my participation, I really express about my journey and experience as a student and part-time traveler, someone who do YouTube and express my journey in India, guys. So I got shortlisted, and today I won this award for expressing an amazing expression as a South Sudanese for India through my lens. I got amazing gift, and I just want to wish all the Indian Bharat people happy 80th independence to all the Indian people, and happy independence. Thank you.
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। राम साहब कार को विसर्जित करने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ। राम साहब कार विसर्जन।
At the embassy, and we in the foreign service have the tagline, the embassy is your home away from home. So please, as an ambassador, I felt very honored, very proud, very privileged to see all of you here today. Thank you very much for your time, for your energy, for being together with all of us. I would also like to, well, my thanks to all of you, but I would especially like to mention our sincere thanks to Jeetmat. They helped us in, they coordinated with us for making arrangements for the refreshments for today. And my sincere thanks to my young team, especially our HOC and all the young team. They have worked hard for this to make this event a success. My sincere thanks to all of you. One more thing which I always encourage in all my previous postings and this posting as well, I will like to encourage all of you to get yourself photographed. We'll put the flag here. So anyone who wishes to have a new DP today with the flag, so kindly feel free. Yeah? So the flag will be placed here, and we'll be very happy to see new DPs appearing in a lot of WhatsApp accounts today. Thank you.
Thank you all, and with this we conclude today's ceremony. Thank you all for joining us on this proud occasion of 80th Independence Day of India. Now please join us for some group photographs and some refreshments. Thank you. Jai Hind.